Good morning, students. In this session we are going to start tangent, how to find the slope of tangent, equation of tangent, equation of normal and slope of normal. So first is tangent. What is tangent? It is a line which touches the curve at a point of surface on the curve. Suppose the equation of curve is y equal to f of x, right? So the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to f of x at some point, and that point is x0 comma y0, is given by y minus y0 equal to f dash of x0, f dash of x at point x0 into x minus x0. Same way, the slope of the normal at x0 comma y0 is given by minus 1 upon f of function at x0. Equation of the normal at x0 comma y0 is given with an equation y minus y0 equal to minus 1 upon f dash at x0 into x minus x0. Next is to find the angle between the two curves. So to measure of the angle between the two curves is defined as a measure of the angle between the tangents at the point of intersection. So for this we'll consider the two curves of the form y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x. They are the two equations of the curve, and x belongs to open interval a comma b. So the two equations of the curve f of x and g of x are differentiable in open interval a comma b. And if they intersect at some point, let us take that point as x0 comma y0, and that point is also belonging to the open interval a comma b. The measure of the angle between them is given by tan alpha equal to derivative of the first curve, that is f dash at point x0 minus g dash at point x0 upon 1 plus f dash at x0 into g dash at x0. Now, if the product of f dash at x0 and g dash at x0 is equal to minus 1, then alpha will have a degree as pi by 2 in that cases, which is called orthogonal. That means both the curves y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x, they are orthogonal to each other. Orthogonal to each other means they are making an angle of 90 degree. Second case is if f dash at point x0 is equal to g dash at point x0, then the curve touch each other at x0 comma y0. So now we'll start our exercise sum based on finding the slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal, and the angle between the two tangents. So first question is to find the equation of the tangent to x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 at x1 comma y0, x1 comma y1. Differentiate this whole equation with respect to x, so that we get dy by dx. So a square and b square, they are the constant term, right? So differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x upon a square minus differentiation of y square with respect to x is 2y upon b square into dy by dx equal to 0. Differentiation of 1 is constant. Differentiation of any constant term gives value 0, right? Now, so from this equation you get dy by dx equal to b square upon a square into x by y. So slope of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is that we have to replace this x and y with x1 and y1. So we get dy by dx as, and that we'll take as a slope with a notation m is b square up into x square upon a square into y1. Equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Right, what is m? It is b square x1 upon a square y1. Substitute that value in the equation, and simplifying this equation you will get y into y1 upon b square minus y1 square upon b square is equal to x into x1 upon a square minus x1 square upon a square. Arranging the terms, we get x into x1 upon a square minus y into y1 upon b square equal to x1 a square upon a square minus y1 square upon b square, and this value is 1, right? So we get x into x1 upon a square minus y into y1 upon b square equal to 1, right? Next question is to find the equation of the tangent to y square is equal to 4ax at x1 comma y1. So first step is to find the derivative of this curve and you get 2y divided by dx equal to 4a. Divide by 2y. Divided by dx will be 4a upon 2y. Divided by dx is 2a upon y. Slope of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is m equal to divided by dx at point x1 comma y1. So m is what? It is 2a upon y1. Equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And then substitute the value of m, that is 2a upon y1. We get y minus y1 equal to 2a upon y1 into x minus x1. Multiplying throughout with y1, we get y1 into y minus y1 equal to 2a into x minus x1. So y1 into y minus y1 square equal to 2ax minus 2ax1. That is y into y1 is equal to 2ax plus 2ax1. Taking 2a common, we get y into y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. So this is the equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1. Next question is to find the slope of tangent to y equal to x cube plus 5x plus 2 at 2 comma 20. So y is x cube plus 5x plus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 3x square plus 5. Slope of the tangent at 2 comma 20 is, we'll replace this x by 2 and we get 3 into 2 the whole square plus 5. 3 into 4 plus 5, 12 plus 5 is 17, right? So slope of the tangent is 17. Next question is find the equation of the tangent to y square equal to 16x, which is parallel to the line 4x minus y equal to 1. So differentiate this curve first. So we get dy by dx equal to 8 by y. Right? Now it is parallel to the line 4x minus y equal to 1. So slope of 4x minus y equal to 1 is what? It is minus a by b. So we get the slope of this line as 4. So slope of the tangent is 4. Now y equal to 2 will substitute and we get the value of x as 1 by 4. Next question is find the equation of the tangent to x equal to cos theta y equal to sin theta. Differentiating this 2 with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta equal to minus sin theta and y as sin theta, that is dy by d theta equal to cos theta. Dy by dx is what? It is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, that is cos theta upon minus sin theta gives minus cot theta. Now the slope of tangent for theta equal to pi by 4, we get m value as minus 1. Equation of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 4, we get y minus sin pi by 4 equal to minus 1 into x minus cos pi by 4. That is y minus 1 by root 2 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. Simplifying this, we get y minus 1 by root 2 equal to minus x plus 1 by root 2. Shift this x on the other side, so we get x plus y equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is x plus y equal to 2 by root 2, that is x plus y equal to root 2. Next question is to find the slope of the tangent at xy plus ax plus by equal to 2 at 1 comma 1 and the slope is given as 2. Find a and b, right? So xy plus ax plus by equal to 2. 1 comma 1 is a point on the curve, so we'll replace this x and y with 1 comma 1. We get a linear equation in terms of a and b, that is a plus b equal to 1. We'll mark that equation as number 1. Now differentiating this curve with respect to x, we get x into dy by dx plus a plus b into dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx is what? It is minus a minus y upon x plus b. So slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 is 2. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1 is 2. Minus a minus 1 upon 1 plus b equal to 2. Cross multiply, we get minus a minus 1 equal to 2 into 1 plus b. Minus a minus 1 equal to 2 into plus 2b. A plus 2b equal to minus 3. A plus b equal to 1. Now solving a plus b equal to 1 and a plus 2b equal to minus 3, we get the value of b as minus 4. Substituting this value, a plus b equal to 1, a equal to 1 minus b, that is 1 minus of minus 4 is 5. So a equal to 5, b equal to minus 4 is the value of A and B. Find the equation of the tangent to x equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into theta minus sin theta. So dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta, and dy by d theta we get a into sin theta, that is been differentiated with respect to theta. Dividing 2 by 1, that is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta will give a sin theta upon a 1 minus cos theta. Now we know one formula that sin theta is what? It is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So we get cot theta by 2. Now the equation of the tangent is y minus a into 1 minus cos theta, cot theta by 2 into x minus a into theta minus sin theta. But cot theta we can write as cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. Throughout multiply with sin theta by 2. We get y sin theta by 2 minus 2a sin cube theta by 2 equal to a theta into cos theta by 2 minus 2a sin cube theta by 2 minus 2a sin theta by 2 into cos square theta by 2. So we get x cos theta by 2 minus y sin theta by 2 equal to a theta cos theta by 2 minus 2a sin theta by 2. Next question is to find point on x square y square plus xy equal to 2 where the tangent has a slope minus 1. So first step is to differentiate and get the dy by dx, right? So when you differentiate, here we will apply the product rule, 2x y square plus 2x square y dy by dx plus again product rule, y constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus x into dy by dx equal to 0. Now take all the terms which have dy by dx together and the remaining term on the other side, and you can find dy by dx as minus 2x y square minus y upon 2x square y plus x. Slope of the tangent is minus 1, that has been given in the question, and when you simplify you will get a quadratic term, and we can take x minus y common, and the bracket we get 2xy plus 1 equal to 0, equating to 0 we get x equal to y and xy equal to minus 1 by 2. So when we take x equal to y, we get x square into x square plus xx equal to 2, x square plus 2 into x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square plus 2 equal to 0, or x square equal to 1. X square equal to minus 2 is not possible, so x square equal to 1. Therefore the required points are 1 comma 1 and minus 1 comma minus 1. So here we have completed this topic, tangent, slope of tangent, equation of tangent and normal. Complete this whole exercise in your fair book.